Hello dear students, in this practical we are going to execute the practical demonstration on the trigger. So firstly we discuss the what is trigger. So firstly trigger is a one type of, or we can say it a special type of store procedure. We see or we execute the previous practical what is store procedure. So you must watch it, and it automatically execute, or we can say it automatically call when some specific events occurs. On table we can say it, on view we can say it. So generally we are executed like insert event, update event and delete event. So let's execute the practical. The syntax is again same. So before starting this trigger practical, we have two tables right now here. The first one is the employee table and second one is the employee audit table. Every table have a three attributes: employee ID, action type and action date. So simply right now my table name is a employee, which is I refer in above section. Now simply I create the trigger, so that's why I use the create. Now I am creating the trigger, so just I pass the name of trigger. Okay, then this whole execution based on our employee table. So just I pass the table name. Now I'm executing the it after insertion, so that's why I provide the after insert event. So this is a creation right now, so that's why I provide the as keyword, and as well begin keyword is for the starting of body. So simply trigger body is open here. Now we use a select here. So sorry, not select, we use a insert event, so that's why I just use a insert into our table name is employee. But in this case, or in this step, we access the second table here, because we are going to represent employee ID, action type and action date here. So that's why I provide this table name. Now in the parenthesis I provide the that attribute employee ID comma action type, and the next one is a action date. So simply action date is retrieved from our system, and our system returns the get date, current date of our uh, local machine. So simply I just inserted these three attributes. Now I am user select because I want to display these three things. So just I'm using employee ID. Then I use here insert, just because of I'm use action type, so I'm using the event inserted, so that's why I provide the insert here. Now for the retrieving current date, I just use a date and time functionality, that is a get date. So that's why for accessing the date, current date of our system, so I just use the get date from inserted, because we call the inserted section and our body is end here, our trigger is in here. I just select and execute it. So our trigger is executed right now here. The next step is insertion. So simply I insert the value on employee table. So I just provide the fifth employee ID. The name is Annie. Okay. The second one is a salary. So I just provide the something digits in salary. Okay. And then end with the semicolon. So I select and execute, and the last one is a how to execute it. Select star from my actual referred table name, that is the audit table. So see, select and execute it. Here we use a fifth employee ID, we use insert action type, and we access the current date, that is a written by the timestamp, and which is fetched by the get date functionality. So see, we call the event for the insertion in employee table, and it will returns you from employee audit table. So that's all about the trigger.